Hey everybody, just a quick tip here on how to add a testimonial to your website. There's many different ways that your testimonials could be added to your site, so this may not work for everybody, but if you have this testimonial section on the left-hand side of your dashboard, then you're probably going to be able to put your testimonials in there. So let's click on testimonials. And you'll see I have some already set up in here. We have Madeline C and Nora B and Dominic M. So we're just going to add a new testimonial. Super simple. All right, once your testimonial section has loaded, add your title, which we're going to put in the person's name. In this big section, you're going to put in my testimonial content here. And then you can actually put in their position if you want to put in there the CEO, the founder, the whatever goes there. If you want a very detailed page that links to, you can click yes. For our purposes, I always leave this on no. And then I like to add, go to the document section, I like to put in a featured image. This can be a logo of the company, the headshot of the person who wrote it. For this particular site, we're just using the little glasses with the weights behind it. And then we click publish and it'll automatically go to the testimonial section of your page. Now, one thing to note is this whole back end section may be different. If you're using the classic editor, it may look a little different, but all the areas are still there. You're going to fill them in just the same. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.